Do you sometimes get cramp when you're trying to do a bridge or bridge and put your leg out? It's a really common thing, and I've got 3 tips to try and get rid of that for you. It happens because you're using your hamstrings, which will cramp easily because they're short burst muscles, rather than your glutes, which are much stronger, designed to go for longer. And bridging exercises are supposed to be making your glutes work. So if you're getting cramp, it's actually a sign that you're not doing it quite right. So 3 things to make it better. I'll show you them lying down. First tip, make sure your feet are in the right place. If your feet are too far away, it's really hard to lift with your glutes and you'll get, hamstring cramp straight away. Really easy, bring your feet in. Second thing, don't use your hands and your feet to push yourself up fast because that activates the hamstrings. Rather use your Pilates breath in, then as you breathe out, bring in your lower abdominals, light lift of your pelvic floor, and deliberately curl your back into the mat, then rise up slowly. This will feel much more like you're using your glutes and much less the hamstrings. The third thing is what you think about when you're changing legs. So I'll curl up and hold here. You need to get the energy into your bottom, not let it linger at the back of the thigh. So push on your heel, tighten your bottom, and the leg should float up into the air quite effortlessly. When you put your foot down, think heel, bottom before you lift. So if you watch the energy rise from my heel to my knee, it mustn't get stuck here. It's got to keep on going till my bottom tightens. And take your time swapping feet so that you can activate the glutes each time fully before you lift the foot off the floor.